Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars tournaments. To begin, you'll need to understand the tournament structure, which usually involves qualifying rounds leading to a main event. Make sure your game account meets the eligibility criteria, often requiring a minimum of 1,000 trophies. Always review the specific rules and any restricted brawlers for each competition. Finally, stay updated by joining official Brawl Stars, Esports communities for registration details and announcements. Building a strong team is crucial for tournament success. Aim for a consistent trio of 3 players whose brawlers complement each other's strengths. Clearly define roles for each teammate, such as a tank to absorb damage, a damage dealer for offense, and a support brawler for healing or crowd control. Practice extensively across all game modes to learn optimal brawler pairings and counterpicks. Develop a flexible strategy that can adapt to diverse maps and opponent team compositions. During matches, focus on objective control rather than just getting eliminations. Constant communication with your teammates is vital. Call out enemy locations, their super status, and your own plans. Make smart use of the map's cover to protect yourself, ambush opponents, and control key areas. Always manage your brawler's super ability wisely, deploying it at the most impactful moments to turn the tide of a battle or secure an objective. Consistent practice is the cornerstone of improvement. Dedicate regular time to play friendly games with your team, testing new compositions and strategies. After matches, review your gameplay recordings to pinpoint errors and areas where you can improve individually and as a team. Stay updated on all game changes, including brawler balance adjustments and new meta strategies. Finally, participate in smaller community tournaments to gain valuable competitive experience and refine your skills under pressure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.